Welcome guys to another video. I know it's a late on Monday, but actually this video is going to be published any which ways on Tuesday. But welcome to another video and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed and you're interested in anything that I'm talking about, which is mainly cryptocurrency trading, how to build your online business, so that includes marketing, but in general, it is about just showing you the journey that I'm following. So if you feel free, if you want to do that, the link is in the subscribe button is there. Click on that and we can go ahead. So who is ready to take their trading to the next level? Now, today is Tuesday and we're going to talk about specifically on something that just for me is when I realized it just created a whole new agenda for myself in terms of my online marketing business, which included the trading. So I combine now the network marketing side and the trading side, and it honestly gives you a skill that you can learn completely on your own or with the help of somebody else, depending on what it is. And when you have a skill set like trading, you don't need anything else to run your business. It depends on you if you want to. So for example, I combine the two because I think it's a powerful combination that I can have something that switches on and off whenever I feel like, whenever I have the time, an hour in the morning, 2 hours in the evening, depending what it is. And then I can start to generate more income with the trading methods that I have. So the reason why I'm talking about this is that today we launched the new version of iCoinPro. Now, iCoinPro is the membership website that I use in order for me to learn about trading and learn anything cryptocurrency related. But you might not believe me, right? That's what many people have. I'm going to show you guys two things in this video. One is iCoinPro, a little bit of proof and progress and results with regards to that. And secondly, I'm going to also show you a strategy which I use in case you want to do learn more about trading and actually run with the strategy. If you want to promote it as well, I'm going to give you the opportunity to learn how I promote my iCoinPro business. So if you're in iCoinPro, this could interest you as well. I want to click on these photos right here, okay, and I want to just open one which was in July. We're in October, guys. Okay, we're in October. This is July. As you can see, I've been trading since more than a year now, and things are going really well. So let's click on another one. This is also in July, but as you can see, the different dates, and I can go on in my pictures and show you guys more, but I want to show you guys actual proof, progress, and results. So this is actually a good trading chart to show you. I'm on an exchange called Poloniex. Now, obviously, you can use Poloniex, you can use Binance, you can use whatever exchange that I would suggest just Poloniex and Binance, to be honest, but it depends on you and your strategies that you want to use. So nicely enough, Ripple just took a nice long spike, which you could have made a nice income right here and come out within a few minutes if you had done it correctly. So this is what we're going to try to teach you, okay? The micro profit system, it's called, okay? We're teaching you micro profits in order for you to start to generate income online. Now let's go ahead and actually show you a little bit of results. I'm going to show you, I did set some trades just before this video. So in fact, I want to show you my open orders and show you that I'm actually trading. As you can see, blah, 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 these are open trades right now that I have, okay? And I'm going to go to trade history. Now, since I said, like I said, I love trading because since I set this trade just before the video, I've already made a trade right here. So that's brilliant for me. I can go ahead and make another one if I would like to, but that's what I'm saying. This is the brilliance of it. I want you to check out the dates right here, guys. This is the 1st of October, but you can see 30th, how many times I traded, 28th, 27th, and it goes up to 34 pages. So you can see that I'm actively trading on a day-to-day basis, okay? And this is just proof for you. So I'm going to take you to iCoinPro is what I use. This is exactly what I use, and I'm going to just briefly show you iCoinPro training what it is, okay? So you have obviously the glossary, you have a quick start, what is Bitcoin, how to buy your first Bitcoin. So it teaches you everything. If you have somebody new who doesn't know how to use Bitcoin, this can help them a lot, okay? Gives you an introduction, gives you advanced training, and finally it gives a micro profit system. This is how we use. Now we have 5 modules of how to actually trade. Trust me, with just the 2 over here, you can do phenomenally well with this method. But I use the first three actually in order for my trading to work. Okay, so then we have also exchange on Binance Trading. We have a tracking sheet. Then we have calculators for the top cryptocurrency exchanges that are there on the market. Okay, and this is basically the RSI Rider, which is our favorite tool because it saves us so much time. Compound, calculate, everything that you can imagine. Okay, there's marketing training as well. There are certificates that you can get, and this is it. I mean, this is what iCoinPro is all about. Now, I'm not going to go into details of the product because it has everything under the sun, but I'm going to show you actually the way the Pro system teaches it to you. Okay, the way the Pro system sets it up. First and foremost, I always have this strategy and this elements in place. Okay, no matter what, I have these elements in place. Now, this is the landing page that I use to send traffic to. Every week, okay, I send traffic to my system, which is called the Pro system. Okay, and the Pro system has two elements. It has the marketing side, or the, let's say, the wealth side. Okay, and it has the crypto side. Now, the crypto world is what I call this side. Okay, we have within the same big funnel itself, we have both, or you can just take it separately. So if you're an iCoinPro and you just want to have this kind of system work for you, then this is something that I do. Now, it's very realistic what I've written right here, and I share more in the strategies that I talk about within the system. So if you're an iCoinPro and you want to do this, what I suggest, and this is how I run. Every time I make a sale in iCoinPro, I go and I put a percentage of that into traffic. TR is traffic, okay? Traffic goes to the Pro system, which is this landing page right here, okay? And let's go back to the page. And the Pro system is built on two elements. So this is OSP and Aweber, okay? These are the tools that help me communicate. Communication is very, very important for you to actually make a sale, okay? You need to have the communication, this right here. You need to have this right here in order for you to actually make the sale, okay? And everything goes to iCoinPro. It promotes and it shows how iCoinPro is an amazing product, what it does, how it trains, teaches how to trade, and etc., etc., etc. Okay, and this cycle moves on, and the machine goes ahead. Now, within the system itself, there are four main streams of income. So, such a small system with just literally 3 pages, actually 2 pages, because it goes here. Yeah, 3 pages. Sorry, guys. This is one. Then it has an explainer video from myself, and then it's this right here, which explains the whole strategy, which you can see right here. And then it goes, and that's it. That's it. Okay. I teach the strategy within the system itself. So when people go through it, they want to do the same thing. Okay. You just need to do it consistently enough. So this is one income stream in itself, iCoinPro as a membership product. If you want to be an affiliate and send out people there. Okay. This is a second income stream. This is the third income stream. And the fourth income stream that you have is trading. Now, this is how I work my system. Okay. A portion of it I put into traffic. Okay. And the other portion, okay, so a percentage I put into traffic, or I put traffic out of my pocket until I'm getting enough sales. But if I make a weekly sale, I put it into traffic. If I make a monthly sale, I put it into trading. Now, this trading, everything I make in this trading, where does it go, guys? It goes to me being happy. It goes into my pocket. Okay, so I build up my trading in 2 ways. I have literally a fourth stream of income where when I learned this option right here, this fourth option right here can replace this whole system if I do it rightly with the help of the system. For me, it's a win-win, promoting the product and promoting trading, because I can make a sale in trading that will cover the membership of iCoinPro every month and go ahead and do this again and again and again. So I hope you see the advantage of it, but this is the whole idea of having it in place the way it is. Okay, iCoinPro is a phenomenal product, guys. We have these 4 income streams. The point is to have a flow. Okay, if you don't have a consistency, and this is what I keep messaging or keep saying in my videos as well, you need to have a consistency in your flow. The traffic plan is perfect, but you need to have a consistency in order for you to actually earn. Okay, so 4 streams of income within one small system itself that's promoting one product, but there are 4 streams of income. Wouldn't you love that? Wouldn't you love that? That's up to you to decide now whether you want to try and get this rolling or no. And if you want to know more about what iCoinPro teaches you, like I said, if you just want to use it as a customer, no problem, learn, just do this. Get the product, trade. Get the product, trade. That's fine. Okay, links are in the description in case you're interested. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. I like to work with serious marketers and serious people. So I hope that you are interested in starting an actual business and learning the skill of trading, because I know I am. Okay, have a great day. Keep it up, and I'm going to see you on the next video.